Hello. Many of you are concerned about how to make the internet much faster and more stable, so that all online applications work better. Perhaps some of you play online games, and a much higher connection speed is very important. In general, there are many different tricks for speeding up the internet, and having a good, stable speed is always a good thing. Now I will show you one trick that is mostly hidden by developers and is not present on all phones. What I mean is that it is not in the default phone settings. This function is not located, but at least it is available in stealth mode and can be activated. To do this, of course, you need to use a third-party app called Activity Launcher, which you can download from my Telegram channel. I will leave a link in the description. For those who don't know, this app simply provides more advanced features and reveals hidden capabilities of your phone. After you finish using it, you can safely uninstall it if you don't need it. Download all the apps here. Just use the search function without tapping anything. Here is the search, and type the word smart. It will find intelligent acceleration for you. Go to this feature, which is hidden by default. This feature is disabled. Enable it to use your mobile data to increase your connection speed. An additional menu will appear. Here you can set the recommended app in acceleration mode. Full is set by default. If you need help, install Full. This will help increase your internet speed and connection speed. Subscribe to the channel, leave comments, and like the videos.